What's up, Car Ref 3 fam? Today we're checking out what might be the craziest pickup truck on the planet, the 2027 Ram 1500 SRT TRX. And yeah, this thing is bonkers in all the best ways. Ram didn't just bring back the TRX, they supercharged it into a straight-up monster with 777 horsepower and 680 pound-feet of torque, territory most supercars can't touch. Let's talk US pricing first, because that's going to matter. In the US market, the 2027 TRX starts around $102,590 MSRP. And honestly, for what you're getting, that's a whole lot of truck for the money. That base figure actually undercuts its main rival, the Ford F-150 Raptor R, by about $10,000, while still delivering more raw power and grunt. Now, underneath that aggressive hood sits a brand new take on the legendary 6.2-liter supercharged HEMI V8. Not just a retune, but re-engineered with parts and learnings from Dodge's Hellcat and Demon builds to breathe even more air and make that massive power figure possible. Ram's engineers boosted horsepower and torque over the previous generation by cracking open airflow restrictions and optimizing how the engine drinks air, and it shows. 0 to 60? Ram claims about 3.5 seconds, faster than the last TRX, and even edging out the 720 horsepower Ford Raptor R. For a half-ton pickup that weighs north of 6,700 pounds, that's insane. And while the top speed is electronically limited around 118 miles per hour due to tire ratings, this truck moves like it has a personal vendetta against slow traffic. But this truck isn't just about straight-line speed. It packs serious hardware to back it up. You're looking at a heavy-duty 8-speed automatic, a Borg-Warner full-time active transfer case, Dana 60 rear axle, and adaptive Bilstein Blackhawk E2 shocks with up to 14 inches of travel. Combine that with 35-inch all-terrain tires on beadlock-capable wheels, and you've got a pickup that's just as ready for desert runs as it is for dominating traffic lights. Inside is surprisingly plush for a truck this aggressive. Ram hits you with a massive 14.5-inch touchscreen, a 12.3-inch fully digital cluster, and a 10-inch head-up display, all standard. There's leather and Alcantara trim, red stitching, and performance-oriented cues that make the cabin feel premium and purposeful at the same time. Ram even throws in available features like heated, ventilated, and massaging seats, wireless charging pads, and a premium audio system that'll make your playlist sound as loud as the engine growl. And don't sleep on tech. The TRX is one of the only high-performance gas pickups to offer hands-free active drive assist, Level 2+, letting you cruise hands-off on supported highways. That's a really rare combo, brutal V8 power with advanced highway driving tech. Styling? Ram turned up the aggression. The TRX logo now includes a T-Rex head, tow hooks are color-matched flame red, and there's even a bloodshot night edition that dials up the two-tone paint and red accents for extra visual menace. Inside, premium materials like leather and suede with red highlights reinforce that performance feel. Let's talk real-world use. Sure, it may guzzle fuel with EPA numbers down in the low teens, and it's big, but that's the point. This truck is about pure American performance energy. From the way it shoves you back in your seat when you launch to the sound it makes as you stomp the throttle, the TRX is engineered to make a statement. So here's the real question for you. Would you drop $100K plus on the most powerful gas half-ton truck ever built? Or are you still chasing EV performance numbers? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Real cars, real talk, always.